They don't catch lady for exam hall. They malpractice. They say they use the pikin. They carry baby. He say they use the pikin do malpractice. At first, I know they understand. Say how now the pikin they whisper out to ear. I be waiting until they show us the ring again. This guy write all the answer for paper. Gonna for the pikin body. Even do what like say na rapper for back. And they toss in a final paper. Last one, they don't even they sign up for their body when they come find out say na the thing where she do for in son in body. Hey! Now they say she must repeat that course. So I bet my people I don't bring her for all the doubting Thomas in the house. So then I go say I'm with Nakuru. Join me, make we watch the video.
You are doing my practice in this class. You are doing my practice. I want to prove to the whole world that you are doing my practice.
My practice.
This your sign out is my practice. Look at. Calm down.
Look at what?
Excuse me, young lady. Look, what is the meaning of all this? What is this? What is all this? Eh? What is the meaning of this one? What is all this? You have been doing my practice. Sir. What do you have an explanation? Don't tell me, sir, please.
Sir, please.
Prof,
Sir,
Prof,
please.
come and Prof.
Sir,
Prof, come and see what this guy is doing.
Sir,
you will not pass this course. You will come back next year for this course. I promise.
Wait, oh, wait. I don't just understand the first part now where are they confused? Which one come be she use the baby do malpractice? And no, because I not just understand how she go put the baby, they raise the cloth, then they read. Oh, I don't understand. Meaning say she don't they practice am for house because children will like they move everywhere. So how you won't take when they think the way they think her? You say this woman are expert. No, she's expert. Because I dey think my brain says no fit container. Like I know just hey! And now matter where I get with some people. Because now they don't come outside. It is already stressful enough to be a mother. May they just leave am. May they just leave am because she don't get pikin and she still get to read, she still get to pass exam. Una dey sure say una dey okay. No, una dey okay. Una dey listen to una self. If you don't say you get pikin and at the same time you dey go school and you no fit cope with the 12 there, I bet drop one. Drop one, as simple as that. See wetin una dey talk. Make they leave am because she get pikin. And na like this una wan make Nigeria move forward. Oh. See them. Na like this una wan make Nigeria move forward. If na like that, all of us for don born anytime when we wan write exam. When we know say exam time go reach, we go dey calculate, get belle, then born, carry our pikin. No, if na that one, everybody fit do am. Even men go dey carry their children when they get exam. They go say, my wife traveled, so I'm the only one in there. Yes, everybody go do am. So make una no tell me that one. Some countries, they even dey put lock people up if you cheat for exam hall. Forget say Nigeria corruption don't cover everybody. In some countries, you cannot try it. You will be under arrest. It is a crime. So which one is leave am because you get pikin? Do this one because you get that one. Now you don't bring your pikin enter this kind of nonsense thing. They use your pikin commit crime. Wetin be the difference between this woman? We wanna just watch. And those ones where they carry pikin for road, they beg for money. No, what is the difference? Because those ones they use children to beg for money. This one now don't use a pikin to commit a crime, exam malpractice. I bet parents make una stop the involve una children for inside una mess. Stop am. Why money good? Anybody will to say money no good, check that person. They don't press remote for a village. Anybody will to say money no good. I don't know, but because if this girl get money now, I don't know whether she be single parent. Abi she get husband, like wedded husband, where they stay together. I don't know. But imagine if there is money. No be to employ house girl. Exam period, abi your this thing. You keep the baby with the child and then you focus and read. No use this one, come they tell me all this one. See, na nonsense. I don't want to hear that. Say you do this one because na nonsense. I don't want. I say I don't want to hear that. Now your ear. I bet me we use our number 6. So very important. Use it. Very, very important. Now I don't know what they want to do with the woman, because they say, according to matter, say she's supposed to repeat this course. So up till now, we still dey wait on this matter, and na for here una go know whether they decide to forgive am or whether they decide. Already we know how our country be, so nothing dey new to as for that side. But people, see, I know say e no dey easy to be a mother, to be going to school at the same time, and to be working. But please, exam malpractice is not the answer. It's not the solution. When I want to say this girl no get anybody where she feel leave this pikin with. Me assume say she never marry, yeah, she no get husband. So you no get neighbor, you no get sister or mother or somebody where at least your exam na 1 hour. Oh please, I'm coming in 1 hour. Make una continue dey use nonsense, they justify una nonsense on top. Continue. Abeg, I wan know wetin una think, because to me, if una ask me, na crime, and crime is crime. Because na the same people, if na politicians do this thing now, una go come outside, they insult them, they do this one. So this one, why? Wetin make am different? Because na normal citizen. Because I wan know wetin una think. They suppose leave am, abi she suppose repeat that course as punishment. I wan know wetin una think. Drop am for that comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. If you never subscribe, meaning say you dey miss a lot of things, just click on that thing so that anytime we get any video for you, you go be the first to be notified. Stay tuned for our next story.